What do you think? How do you start to think about the consequences of? So humans are different from other animals in many ways, but one of the ways we're notably different is we actually disrupt some of these natural hormonal cycles on purpose for long periods of time, sometimes starting from very early in our development. How does this work start to make you think about sort of the pros and cons of disrupting natural hormone cycles in our own bodies?
It's a very, very interesting point. And I gotta be careful here, obviously, being a man, but I guess our work has, really maybe, sensitized me a bit to how powerful these hormones are
Mm.
and how how sort of, thoughtless we seem to be, regulating their levels, and it has liberated, lots of women, but it's still it's kind of uncomfortable that in 2025 a lot of contraception relies on flooding body with these hormones that reach, as I mentioned, every single part of the brain that is in principle receptive to them, and we don't really know, or we're only starting to understand what the consequences of that are. So I think we should probably put more resources into making contraception, molecules that maybe don't cross the blood-brain barrier.
Mm.
So I reckon 50 years from now it'll seem barbaric that we ever used these sort of methods.